It's been more than 14 months now. Markets are trading in a range bound. Markets are trading in volatile. Due to hyperinflation, economic slowdown, Russia and Ukraine war, because of this markets have been trading in range bound from long time. It is really testing the patience of retail investors. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon because you'll be getting lot more update with regards to investment. Friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss about why markets are trading in range bound, what is the reason. So as the investors, how we can use this opportunity. Let's get started. Friends, first we will understand why markets are trading in range bound, why markets are getting correction. The major reason is, as we know that there is a hyperinflation in US. To reduce the hyperinflation, American Reserve Bank, which is Federal Bank of India, so which has increased the interest rate in multiple time. That's the reason markets are getting correction. That's the reason markets are trading in a range bound. Friends, now we will understand why there is a hyperinflation in US. Friends, as we know that during the COVID lockdown in 2020, so American Reserve Bank, to support the American economy, they have reduced the interest rate nearly zero. When interest rate becomes zero, everybody will take a loan. Loans will become very attractive to buy a house, to buy a car, to expand the business. Everybody will take a loan. So which has impacted the huge cash flow in American market. Many foreign portfolio investors, they have taken a loan and they have invested into Indian equity market. That's the reason Nifty during the COVID lockdown time, which is zoomed from 7,500 to 15,000, 16,000. Friends, after the lockdown, the economy was opened up and people were living in the home from long time. They went on a revenge shopping, revenge travel, which has created a huge demand for product and services. That's the reason everything became expensive, including house, renting, and other services, which has created a huge inflation in American market. To reduce the hyperinflation, American Reserve Bank, which is Federal Bank of India, which has increased the interest rate in multiple time in 2022. So meanwhile, many foreign portfolio investors, they have booked profit from Indian equity market and they have exited. That's the reason Indian markets are getting correction and they are trading in a range bound. In spite of multiple interest rate hikes, still inflation in US, which is not getting control, which is not getting cooled down. 2023 is going to be a very volatile in the market. Friends, so what we can do, instead of thinking too much about the market volatility, we can use this opportunity for long-term wealth creation. Many quality stocks are trading in a discounted price, so we can buy that quality stocks and we can hold that stock for a long term so that we can create huge wealth in long term. Friends, today I'll be discussing about 5 quality stocks which are trading in discounted price. You can accumulate that stock and you can hold that for long term. Let's get started. The first stock in the list is which is CDSL, Central Depository Services Limited, which is a DP. Once you buy the share, your shares will be stored in a DP in an electronic form. So which is CDSL and NSTL. Friends, currently stock is trading 1100, which is 30% discount from its lifetime high. Before COVID pandemic, stock was trading just 200 rupees and later stock reached the new highs of 1600 and stock has generated 8 times return for the investors. Friends, first we will try to understand why stock price zoomed from 200 to 1600 in last 2 years. The major reason is during the COVID lockdown time, Nifty zoomed from 7,500 to 18,000, which has attracted a lot of new retail investors. Due to crazy lockdown, many people, they started to work from home and they started to invest in mutual fund stocks and they have started to participate in Indian equity market. So there is a data suggests that during the COVID lockdown time, so more than 1 crore plus demat accounts were opened, which has ultimately benefited the CDSL. CDSL is a DP. Once you buy the share, your shares will be stored with a DP in an electronic form. The 70% of demat accounts which will be held with a CDSL. In India, there is a more than 10 crore plus demat accounts were there, wherein 7 crore demat accounts are held with a CDSL. Friends, now we will understand how CDSL makes money. The first one is annual maintenance charges. Once you open a demat account wherein you need to pay annual maintenance charges, which will be around 300 rupees. The second one is transaction charges. once you buy and sell the stocks wherein you need to pay transaction charges. Friends, as we know that during the COVID lockdown time, there was a huge trading volume. That's the reason stock price zoomed from 200 to 1600. Later stock became expensive and some people booked the profit. That's why stock corrected. Currently stock is trading 1100, which is very good for long term investors. The second stock in the list is which is CAMS. CAMS is a register and transfer agent of mutual fund. Once you invest your money in a mutual fund, either by SIP or lump sum, AMC will only take care of your investment. It will take care of portfolio construction, asset allocation, marketing activity, but they don't take care of back-end work. The works like application processing, mutual fund transaction, payments, dividend, report generation, switch, redemption, these all work will be taken care by CAMS. During the COVID lockdown time, even mutual fund industry is also grown. Many new investors, they started to invest in a mutual fund using many online platforms. Mutual fund AUM in India, which is zoomed from 24 lakh crore to 38 lakh crore in last 2 years. That's why stock price zoomed from 1230 to 4000 and stock has generated 3 times return for the investors. Later stock became expensive, so that's the reason stock is getting correction. Along with that, nowadays equity market is not giving good return. The investors participation has been reduced, so that's why stock is getting correction. Friends, if you look at the shareholding pattern of CAMS, currently promoters, they are having a shareholding of 19.92%, which is very good. The FIS, foreign portfolio investors, they have been consistently increasing the shareholding pattern from last 3 quarters. Currently they are having a shareholding of 33.21%, which is very good. Even domestic institutional investors, they are consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. Currently they are having a shareholding of 14.91%, which is very good. Friends, if you look at the future of CAMS, the future is very bright. The mutual fund industry in India, which is just started, still there is a long way to go. The mutual fund industry in India, which is just 0.5 trillion, wherein US, which is $25 trillion, there is a huge growth potential. The investment awareness in India, which is just started, so ultimately it's going to benefit CDSL and CAMS. Both are the leader in their segment. Both stocks are debt free, which is going to grow in the future. The third stock in the list is which is Dixon Technology, one of the leading electronic equipment manufacturing company in India. Company manufactures consumer electronics, home appliance, lighting solutions, mobile phone, setup boxes, security system, medical electronics, and many more. Some of the top clients in lighting category: Havells, Philips, Syska, Bajaj, Wipro, Orient, and many more. In home appliance category, Godrej, Samsung, Lloyd, Panasonic, and others. Currently stock is trading 30% discount from its lifetime high. It is good to buy for long-term investment. As Indian manufacturing industry, it is there in a sweet spot because nowadays Indian government has a lot of focus on manufacturing industry. The schemes like Make in India concept, Atmanirbhar Bharat, production linked incentive, these schemes will boost the domestic manufacturing industry. Ultimately, Dixon Technology will benefit in the future. The next 2 stocks are from the IT industry, which is TCS and Infosys. Both are the leader in their segment, but currently stocks are trading in a discounted price due to economic slowdown in US market. But friends, in the future things will normalize. Both stocks, they will grow in the future. Friends, in this video we discuss about why markets are getting correction, what is the reason. Along with that, we discuss about CDSL, CAMS, Dixon Technology, Infosys, TCS. Friends, if you want to know more about CDSL and Dixon Technology, I have done a separate video. I'll give the link in description box. Friends, this video is only for education purpose. This is not a buy and sell call. If you like this video, please to subscribe. Please to share it with your community. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you.